Hey everybody, Chris Negley here with Elegant Estates. I'm on a paver restoration job and we have some driveway asphalt sealer that got onto the pavers. So I'm going to show you what we got, and we'll probably try first to remove it with just hot water and the surface cleaner. If that doesn't work, then we'll go ahead and we'll put the solvents on there, dissolve it, and then hit it with some pressure again, see if we can get it up. So I'll show you what we got. So as you'll see right along the edge there is where our sealer was oversprayed onto the pavers. So we'll go ahead and we'll hit it with water. We're restoring this walkway anyways, so we'll try it first with the hot water. If we don't have to use the solvents, then we won't. But otherwise, if we do, then we'll dissolve that, see if we can get it up. All right, well, here we go. We were able to get most of that off. There's a slight little bit right there that we'll probably put a little bit of solvent on, let it work for a few minutes, and then rinse it off. But other than that, we're good to go. Now what you'll notice on some of these stains that you have to use solvents on, in order to get them off, they may lighten the paver a little bit. Now in this case, it's a good quality paver. It's a Teco Block Mista paver. So we didn't really notice much of that, getting that sealer off, so fortunately that was good. But other than that, yeah, we're good to go.